I'm Liss.
And I'm Hannah Liss, and we're here to bring you the sports recap for the month of September. So let's get to it.
September has been full of wins for teams all around Akron. 3 of our teams, girls soccer, field hockey, and golf, are all undefeated in their league. Congratulations to those teams and the great start to their season.
Currently, volleyball has 2 wins and 2 losses overall. The team is off to a great start. They recently traveled to Star Point, where they came in first in their bracket for a tournament. Kia La from boys had 29 kills and 6 aces, along with Riley Doctor's 24 kills and Emma Siska's 8 kills and 5 blocks. Keep up the hard work, ladies.
Boys cross country and girls cross country are both doing great this season, despite the young ages on their team. Girls cross country currently has 2 wins and 1 loss in their league, and the boys are just behind them with 1 win and 2 losses. The girls' top PRs currently are Kylie Redmond with a time of 22:29 and Abby Bauer in close second with a time of 23:08. Boys cross country recently traveled to the McQuaid Invitational, where they all PR'd. Keep up the good pace.
Golf is also off to a great start this season with a record of 11 wins and 0 losses. The team is undefeated in their league and continues to dominate matches. Brody Hill, Cam Wild, Aiden Remisser, and Thunder Hallett continue to score well in all their matches. Congratulations to the golf team.
Field hockey has played an amazing season so far, which puts them at first in their league. The team is currently sitting at 8 wins and 0 losses, which also makes them undefeated. Julia Kladzinski currently leads the team with 11 goals, and Mackenzie Tomporowski is close behind her with 9. Good work, ladies. Can't wait to see what comes for you in the next few weeks.
Boys soccer is currently sitting at 2 wins and 6 losses overall. The boys are playing well this year despite the number of young players on their team. We can't wait to see them develop in the future years.
Currently, girls soccer is holding the place of first in their league. The team is undefeated with 4 wins, 2 ties, and 0 losses. Currently leading the stats are Abby Gerstung, sitting at 5 goals, and Elena Susbuk, Olivia Novak, and Ella Liss are all at 3, close behind. Keep on pushing, girls.
Football is currently playing a great season. The team is 4-1 and still fighting very hard. The team's only loss came from a close 20-21 game against Newfane in overtime. The players on this team continue to grow and learn after every game, only continuing to get better and better as the season goes on. Nick Fry leads the team stats with 7 touchdowns currently. Go Tigers!
The Akron cheer team has yet to have any competitions, but they continue to cheer their hearts out at every football game. Look out for the Lady Tigers at the pep rally.
This upcoming week is very exciting for every team. On Monday, October 7th, girls soccer has a Pinko game against East Aurora away. Volleyball has a home game against Clarence on the 7th as well.
Boys soccer has a game on the 8th against Newfane at home, while cross country will be in Barker for a meet at the same time.
On October 10th, there is a home field hockey game against Roy Hart. Come out and support the team.
Also, in our up-and-coming is our homecoming game. Come watch on Friday the 11th as football takes on Cleve Hill in a tough battle. Remember to wear your orange and black to show your school spirit. We can't wait to see you there. Once again, I'm Liss.
And I'm Hannah Liss.
And thanks for tuning into our sports recap. Go Tigers!
I almost forgot to say Go Tigers.
Yeah.
So.